Close your eyes and think about your living room. It's the heart of your home, the place where you escape the world. But for most of us, that escape is interrupted by a cluttered mess of slow menus, pixelated streams, and a dozen different remotes that never seem to work when you need them. You've spent thousands on a 4K OLED TV, yet you're letting a $20 plastic stick or a laggy built-in smart TV interface ruin the experience. You are leaving half of your TV's potential on the table. But what if I told you there is a black box sitting in a laboratory right now that is designed to turn your living room into a digital sanctuary? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. A device so powerful it rivals game consoles, so intuitive it knows what you want to watch before you do, and so integrated that it becomes the brain of your entire home. I'm talking about the evolution of the Apple TV 4K. We are entering a new era of home entertainment. The days of just watching TV are dead. We are now in the era of the home cinematic experience. In this video, we are going to peel back the curtain on why the Apple TV 4K is the most underrated piece of technology Apple has ever made, and why the upcoming generation is about to make every other streaming device on the planet look like a calculator from the 90s. If you think this is just about Netflix and Hulu, you are looking at the tip of the iceberg. We are talking about the intersection of A-series silicon, computational photography applied to video, the future of cloud gaming, and a privacy shield that keeps the world's biggest data brokers out of your living room. Why does the USA audience care so much about this right now? It's simple: friction. We are tired of tech that gets in the way. We want the "it just works" philosophy applied to our relaxation time. And that is exactly where the Apple TV 4K thrives. But there is a storm brewing. With the rise of 8K content on the horizon and the massive shift toward AI upscaling, the current hardware is being pushed to its limits. Apple knows this. They are preparing a successor that isn't just a spec bump, it's a total reimagining of what a hub should be. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the silicon. Most streaming boxes use cheap, off-the-shelf processors that struggle to render a 4K menu without stuttering. Apple did the opposite. They put a literal smartphone supercomputer inside a fanless box. The current model uses the A15 Bionic, but the rumors for the next generation are pointing toward the A17 Pro or even a variant of the M-series chips. Why? Why do you need that much power just to stream a movie? Because it's not just about the stream. It's about the frame-by-frame intelligence. When you watch a low bitrate stream on a standard box, it looks muddy. The Apple TV 4K uses its massive GPU power to perform real-time chroma subsampling and noise reduction. It takes a good image and makes it perfect. It's like having a professional colorist sitting inside your TV, tweaking the knobs every millisecond to ensure that the skin tones are natural and the shadows have depth. But the power isn't just for the eyes, it's for the ears. We have to talk about spatial audio. This is the feature that changes the game for anyone living in an apartment or anyone who doesn't want to wire up 7 different speakers. When you pair a set of AirPods Pro or Max with the Apple TV 4K, the world disappears. Through complex algorithms and head tracking, the Apple TV creates a 360-degree soundstage that convinces your brain there are speakers behind you